Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need iOS 14 or newer and at least some battery to test. Plug in if you prefer. First, open Settings and go to Battery right away. You should see Battery Health and Low Power Mode. Toggle Low Power Mode to reduce background activity for quick savings. Once done, make sure Background App Refresh is reachable from Main Settings. This is where you'll restrict apps next. This step gets the phone ready and implements the immediate battery preservation action while we configure deeper settings. Now check battery health to see maximum capacity and whether performance management is active. That explains long-term limits. Next, go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and pick Wi-Fi only or turn it off to stop apps refreshing constantly. Then head to Privacy right arrow Location Services and change apps from Always to While Using or Never. This prevents GPS from draining battery silently. Make each change deliberately so you reduce power use without losing a set. Finish by turning off push mail and setting fetch to manual or hourly. Constant push wakes the device repeatedly. Lower screen brightness, enable auto lock to a short interval, and disable unnecessary widgets and notifications to cut display and CPU use. If battery still drains quickly after these steps, make sure to run diagnostics in Settings or connect to a charger and observe. If abnormal, try Reset All Settings as a non-destructive fix before considering service. One key tip: test changes overnight to confirm improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.